In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert from a certain number of moles into the corresponding amount of grams. So we are going to set this up just like we did our mole conversions or our dimensional analysis conversions at the beginning of the year when we went from things like 100 yards into centimeters. The conversion that we're going to use is the one that we worked on in yesterday's video, where we do 1 mole of a substance is equal to its gram formula mass, which is its mass off of the periodic table. So just like at the beginning of the year, we are going to take whatever we're given, put that over 1. So we are given 1.5 moles of carbon dioxide. So we're going to take that, put that over 1. Then we are going to use the conversion factor of 1 mole of carbon dioxide equals its mass in grams from the periodic table. Since moles is in the numerator, and that is the unit that we want to cancel, we will put moles in the denominator. Again, our conversion is 1 mole of our substance is equal to its mass in grams off of the periodic table. So we look up carbon dioxide off of the periodic table. Carbon has a mass of 12.0. 2 oxygens would be 16 each, so 32. Together, that would give us a mass of 44 grams. Moles will cancel, leaving us with grams. So we just do 1.5 times 44, and that would give us 66 grams, and that would even have the right number of significant figures. Our answer makes sense because we would be 66. Okay, second conversion, we are given 24 grams of carbon, and we have to figure out how many moles that correlates to. So grams have to go in the denominator so that they cancel. Your conversion is 1 mole of our substance is equal to its mass in grams off of the periodic table. So for carbon, that would be 12. Now we will be dividing. So we have 24 divided by 12, which will obviously give us 2 moles. Again, our answer makes sense because 1 mole of carbon is equal to 12 grams, so 24 grams would be 2 moles. In our next conversion, we are given 3 moles of bromine, so we take whatever we're given, put it over 1. We have to cancel out moles. Moles goes in the denominator. 1 always goes with mole because our conversion is 1 mole of the substance is equal to the gram formula mass, which is the mass off the periodic table. So 1 mole of bromine is equal to 79.9 grams. Again, we get that off of the periodic table. Then we pick up our calculators and do 3 times 79.9. That gives us 239.7 grams. In order to get 2 significant figures, since we started with 2, we will round that to 240 grams. All right, last one. We are given 5 grams of aluminum. Take what you're given, put it over 1. This time we need to cancel grams. Grams goes in the denominator. The value for our number that goes with grams comes off of the periodic table. Aluminum has a mass of 26.98 grams. That is equivalent to 1 mole of aluminum. So grams cancel, leaving us with moles. We just put into our calculator 5 divided by 26.98, and that gives us 0.185, which we do want 2 significant figures, so 0.19 mole. of aluminum. Again, that makes sense because 1 mole is equal to about 27 grams. So 5 grams would be much smaller than 1, and it would be close to 0.2. So we have 0.19. So again, take what you're given, put it over 1, use the conversion factor of 1 mole of your substance is equal to the gram formula mass, which is the mass on the periodic table.